Hi everyone, it is me, Anastasia, and the twists are still going strong. So I have had my mini twists in now for 1 week. Last week I sat here and watched almost the entire season of Madam CJ Walker and twisted my hair. And I don't regret it. My arms are tired, but I don't regret it. Anyway, so I figured I might as well show you different styles you can do while you have your mini twist in. Like, you could just wear it like this. That's cool. But everyone knows I can't stop doing my hair. So let's do some style. They're all pretty basic, I think, but it's a fun way to mix it up. I generally leave my mini twists in, I think the last time I left them in for 3 weeks. And I'm a little bit hesitant to do that this time because detangling my hair was a nightmare last time. I legit think my hair was trying to form locks. So I may take these out after 2 weeks, maybe wear a twist out, depending on how my hair looks. Maybe wear a twist out for a week and then wash it. I don't know, we'll see. In this video, I'll show you how I refresh my twists in the morning whenever I wake up, you know. What is day, what is night? And then I'll show you some styles you can do. Okay, let's go. So for these twists, because I did it on blow-dried hair, I'm trying my darndest to not get them wet because I don't want them to shrink up, because as you can see, they're still holding a lot of length because, you know, I blow dried my hair first. So what I've been doing, because my hair still needs moisture, I actually take a water-based refresher. In this case, it's one from Shoppe. It's called the Coconut Water Refresher. I've been using this, but rather than spraying it on my hair, I spray it in my hand. So I get some moisture on my hand, and it's really my ends that I feel are the most dry. Even though I just trimmed them, I feel like they're still dry. I don't know. I guess my blow-dried hair just doesn't feel the same as my not blow-dried hair. So yeah, so I put a little bit on the ends. And this way, because I'm able to kind of place it onto my hair, I feel like my hair's not sucking it up in the same way it would if I were to spray it directly on. So I do that. And also, one of the goals of my life, but specifically of right now because I'm staying home, is to grow my hair. So I'm trying to do more like scalp massages and use like some oils and blah 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 whatever. So I'm using this is called the Complete Reconstructor. It's from a Canadian company called Mama's Life Products, and I've showed this. So I've showed this before in my favorites video last year, and I don't use a lot because it's not like, I don't use it to style my hair. I kind of use it like on my scalp and on the ends sometimes. So it has a lot of good stuff that is supposed to promote hair growth. There's like rosemary, there's like, what else they got in there? A lot of crap. It's not crap, it's good stuff. There's hemp seed oil, peppermint, like there's a lot of things that are good in there to contribute to hair growth. So this girl who has really long hair told me she uses it. So here I am being influenced. Anyway, so I shook it up because sometimes it separates. So I'm adding a little bit to my hand. I rub it in, and then I'm adding it, I'm focusing on the ends, but then also I try and rub it in my scalp. Now the thing is, the top of my hair, I don't think you can see, but it is getting a little frizzy. I don't actually really care about that. I'm fine with it. A little frizz never hurts. Okay, so once I have put that in my hair, I usually throw it in a ponytail and then I start my work day. But for this video, we're gonna try some different things. So now I'll go ahead, I'm gonna do these styles. I'm not gonna talk through it because that's boring. I'm gonna watch TV, and I feel like I need more shows to watch. So maybe that's something you could comment below. Or you could comment something hair related, but that's not fun. So comment some shows you're watching. So far, I have watched, let's see, Schitt's Creek, Tiger King, The Circle, US, and Brazil, and now I'm watching the UK version. What else have I watched? I watched a whole lot of movies. Did I watch any other TV shows? There's a TV show I want to start watching. It's called Elite. I think it's in Spanish. So I want to start watching that. And yeah, but I need more shows to watch because we're probably gonna be stuck inside for a while. And you know, I might as well just melt my brain with television. So let me know what you're watching and I will style my hair.